Hey James, my hands look weird. Can you make it look like I'm holding the pole instead? Sure. Since I'm wearing a bright white shirt, it really gives my teeth a stained yellow look. Is there anything you could do to fix it? Sure. Can you remove the hand that's over my boob in the middle? Thanks. Sure. Hey James, can you make that guy in the back look happier? Fixed. Hi James, this is a picture of me and my girlfriend on holiday. Could you remove my hand around her hip? I think it looks kinda weird. Sure. I took a normal photo but apparently I was using wrong tie color. Can you change the color of my tie into plain black? Sure. I love this picture but my stupid self couldn't hold the one the right way. Can you fix it? Fixed. Can you make it so my boyfriend's feet don't look so long in this photo? Sure. Hi, can you remove the pole in front of me? Sure. Hi James, could you make it please that I'm not bald? I'm going bald since I'm 14, and really miss my hair. Sure. Can you make me as tall as he is? Sure. Hi James, your edits are amazing. Is there any chance of removing the pizzas from the background so the picture looks a bit more classy? Thank you. Hurry up. Hi James, could you please remove my friend from the background? Sure. Hi James, could you please take the lamp out? Thanks. Sure. Hi James, can you please somehow adjust my hands and make it look like I'm holding a glowing ball? Thank you. There you go. Can you please erase the guy in the back, he kinda messes my pic. Thanks a lot. Here you go, buddy. I love this picture of my best friends and I, but can you please make us stand in a museum instead of in nature? Thank you very much. Sure. Hi James, I like the picture of my wife and I, but can you get rid of the other guy in white hat please? Love your work. Sure. I love this picture of my wife and I in Venice. But she dressed just like a gondolier. Can you fix it so it doesn't look so awkward? Sure. Me and my boyfriend were trying to take a photo with the ducks. But we didn't manage to get any in the photo. Could you put some ducks in please? There you go. Hi mate, that's me with the golf tee in my mouth. Any chance you could make it look like my friend has taken a shot? No doubt. Could you please get rid of the people in the background? Done. Can you make my face a little less round? I'm the one on the left. Thank you. Choose your fighter. Can you make my belt buckle bigger? There you go, partner. I really like this photo of me, but I don't like how my reflection is in the mirror. Could you fix it? Sure. Hi James, will you make me look like a bad boy? The police are on their way. I just fired a pistol for the first time, and I was hoping you could make me look like some sort of agent. Thank you. Sure. Could you do it so that the water goes in my mouth in this photo? I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Wrong fountain. Hi bro, can you make more romantic for this photo please? Thanks. No doubt bro. Can you please make it look as if I'm not standing in a hole in the floor? Best regards, Sasika. Sorted. I love the work you do. I'm wondering if you could Photoshop me a girlfriend. Sure. Please, could you get more leaves on the tree? Thanks. Here you go. Would you be able to make me and the boys look like we're outside? Thanks. You and the boys are outside. Can you make it so I'm in Cali or Hawaii? This is a cover photo for my single. I'm dropping. Thanks. You've already dropped it. Can you make it not so obvious that I'm in the bathroom in this picture? Sure. I love our family picture. It is almost perfect, but my son's crooked bow tie makes me cringe. Can you straighten his bow tie, please? No problem. If you liked this video, give thumbs up and see you soon.